Welcome back. In this training video, we'll explore what a key change is and demonstrate the functionality that is found on several entry forms in FOURA. So let's get started. So what's a key change? A key change event changes the primary key of a record to a new value. This includes every reference to that key system-wide, making it as if the old key never existed at all, which means the key change event has the potential to be both useful and disruptive. Therefore, it should not need to be used very often. We recommend that a key change occurs only when it's absolutely necessary, and if done, it should be widely communicated to others in your organization. And in many cases, it may be more appropriate to deactivate the old record and create a new record for the new value. So let's do a key change. Here in our test database, I'm going to key change an item number for our scissors from a trailing A to a 0. To do this, we need to select the key change icon in the item number field. This presents a key change form displaying the current key and a field for the new key. Then we enter the new key and select the update button. That's it. Now we can go look at inventory. And sales orders to verify that the new item number is represented throughout FOURA. A few quick things to note. A key change event is not capable of merging two primary keys into one. Each transition must be to a unique and new primary key. And only certain key values support key changes, such as item numbers, price book codes, promotion codes, supplier codes, customer POs, customer ship to addresses, and employee codes. As you can see, FOURA's key change feature is really convenient and easy to use throughout the application. Well, that wraps up this tutorial. Please be sure to check out additional tutorials to learn more about FOURA's powerful features, processes, and tips. Thanks for watching.